So here I am again, wishing I would have taken some videos as I was working on this thing and fixing it. I got my John Deere 566. Was having a bunch of problems the past several years with popping that main chain off, that main drive chain, going from the lower roller to the upper roller. Whenever I would hit a big deep in the field, that thing would pop off to that top roller, and it would wind up in there on that bottom side, just be disappointed. And I actually broke that chain a couple of times because of that. So my understanding was like a 530, 535, and the early style 566s, all used like the chain tensioners right here, and it was two sprockets that would like rock and try to hold some tension on that chain right there. So this back chain, back side of the chain, the slack side of the chain, if you will, I could grab that thing and it would move and smack the twine box, and it would go all the way to the other side and smack the other chain. So it would move a good 8 or 10 inches, but now it's pretty tight. All I did was go to that new